You know it's Jeep week out here.
That's what you said. It's supposed to be Jeep week. So it's Pigeon Forge, I guess. So you know they're coming.
They had like 11,000 Jeeps there last year.
Holy crap.
On three, slap the adventure. 1, 2, 3. Slap the adventure.
And I think
You figure they'll make a trip. There'll be a convoy of them come over here.
I hope every one of them goes through the cove and comes out Parsons Branch. What I hope they do.
That's what I figure they might do now that it's over.
We went down through there the first weekend it opened, and then we went back 3 weeks later. First week when we opened, you could have drove a caddy through there. 3 weeks later, you just about need a 4-wheel drive.
Y'all ready to roll?
Yeah. Coming with us?
Let's go to Cashiers. Let's go to Cashiers and get a big brisket sandwich at Cashiers.
How far is that away?
I don't know. It's about
2.5
miles.
miles.
No, wait a minute. It's about 6 miles.
It's all about the food.
It's
the other side of Highlands.
I don't feel for that.
It's all about the food.
It's start and stop. So when you start,
When you
you'll
say-
get there when you
when
start.
When you say you want to get off the bike, we'll stop. You're already awake now. Look at you.
No.
Whenever
I'm waiting till I get about 4 hours into it.
You can sleep all day tomorrow.
Yeah, you drive that damn truck and then
Charlie's got a hammock.
He probably does.
I guarantee he opens a saddlebag in his and he'll have a 6-person tent, 2 chairs and a table and some
What you
kind
got?
of cooking stuff all in that one saddlebag. I never seen anything like it.
You driving the AFJ?
Yeah, he opens it up and it all goes like
Everybody
this.
going.
It just builds itself. That's right.
Everybody go.
That's a 2-up machine.
There you go.
Did you do what I told you to do when you go?
Yeah, I pulled it back. We'll see when I get home.
So you need to leave it for 24 hours. And then when you take it off, drop it out and then pump it. It's gonna pump up.
How you like that suspension you got? You daggum leaning,
It's
ain't it?
about time he put some progressives on there.
You got them on yours?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put them on that F6B. You gone, man? On the porch.
I've got a candy on.
How long you had your progressive?
6 years.
I got traction on my full gold wing, and that's stock, and it's terrible. It's beat me up.
Get to do it. 30,000 miles ago.
Do you know what weight 440 we need to put yours? The weight?
I don't
6
know.
years is hard.
You know, I don't know, but I've read about 52 articles so far. I'll read the 53rd one tonight. And I can't find anybody that can, again, real world that says, hey, I have these springs, I put 10 weight in, I put 15 weight, and there's a massive difference. And I doubt there would be much of any, but I put 10 back in mine with the progressive springs, but I have 15 that I didn't use brand new. And I'm tempted just to take them,
Can't be still.
contract, do them again, pull them out, and just suck the 10 out, put the 15 in, and go right to see if there's a difference. Yeah, well, you don't have drains. You got to take the wheel off and all that. Yeah, but it's up under the axle. So you got to take the wheel off anyway. And at that point, you just take your cuts off the top, loosen them, compress them, pull them all the way up, stick your mighty back in, and just suck it out of both tops, and pour them back in, screw them back down, take them back out.
Why, are they spongy right now?
No, mine are fine now because I put them. The thing is I just want to know if 10 or 15 really makes a difference.
When you bottom it out, when you follow them like everything, you put some.
I sold him I-12, the bump stock was all beat to crap, but it was still there. He ain't even have you no more.
Mine was completely disintegrated. Had no bump stock. And you can't buy bump stock to put on your shop. They will sell you a $799 shop. With a $2.50 rubber bump stock.
All right, you guys, hit that like button, subscribe, hit that notification, and
I'm gonna find me a piece of rubber about that thick and a mat, get somebody to cut it out in a circle, cut a circle in the middle, and then cut it like this, and wedge it on there and stuff it down in, and let that be my bump stock.
You get an old tire. That'd be
Do
Something
an
like
old
that.
shoe.
Or something else, that's all you'd have to
Just
do.
steel belt the tire radio.
You have to have something good to cut it though.
Well, we'll get it cut, we'll use a drill. Like you do with a hole punch.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll get it drilled down.
My wife won't ride it.
And you know what?
And that's why you ride. That's why you ride it
That's
off.
always why he's on the
Just tell her, like, over here, run right over.
That's like him and his new girlfriend. She ain't riding with him.
What you riding on, man?
He bought that bike.
FC1.
You know why she won't ride?
FC1.
You know why she won't ride?
She's a redhead.
It's got gold rims.
You got gold rims?
Nobody rides. You can't get a woman on a bike that's got a gold rim.
No.
Now I'm gonna tell you this. I'm gonna tell you this. No joke. When I got my second gold ring, and no, actually this was my first one. I got a different. I was going to Florida. Okay, I was on 1100 Shadow, and I had just put before I left, and I was pulling a Neosho fiberglass trailer that I bought at Honda Coupe.
Oh, really? Yeah.
That's where I got it from. But I had 1100 Shadow, silver and white. And I'm cruising down there today, and I just put new Vance and Hines pipes on it. And the guy that I bought them from, well, they're brand new, said, "Oh, it'll be quieter than what you've got on it." Lie, because it didn't have baffles on it, but they were long. But anyway, so I'm riding down the interstate. We're about Savannah. We're on 95, and it's Sharon's on the back, and it won't go past 72 because I've got 600 pounds of stuff in that trailer, and that's 1100, and it's and I'm sitting there, it's starting to get a little bit dusky out, and I see these two lights coming up the side, and they're moving pretty quick. Hey baby, what you there? This is fun in the cat. Yeah, we're yelling at each other because you can't talk it. And this light goes. Two of them just flashed by me. All I heard was the music.
Yeah.
There's two gold ones. And I'll yell back. And literally, this is what happened. I turned around there. When I get back to Tennessee, I'm buying a gold one. I put that sucker in a paper, sold it to my pastor. Sure did. And I went to buy a gold wing. Well, the guy gets a got at the gold wing, and he's sitting there, and he's talking. It's 1500 and 89 Wineberry, and he's shining on it. And he said, "Let me tell you something, Charles." I said, "What?" He said, "I'm telling you, when your wife sits on this gold wing on the back, she puts her arms up here on this thing, she'll never get on another bike."
Right.
So, if you don't want to go with you, you need to say goodbye. This is what this guy did. And he's got a Kawasaki sitting over here in his gold wing. And so when he says, "Hey babe, you want to go with me? I'm going here," she'll go. Which
Well, you're right.
If I want her to go, I'll say gold wing. If I don't, I'll say Kawasaki. I swear. I can't blame her, can you? But he,
No.
but he was right. Yeah. So I buy a Valkyrie Interstate.
Yeah.
Great deal on it. Got this Valkyrie from this guy in Cosby.
Yeah.
3,000 miles on it. It's blue and silver.
Yeah.
And I get home and I get Sharon on it. I say, "Hey, let's go around Carson campus on the bike and we'll see what you think." And she rides it 5 minutes. And I swear to God, first thing she said, "Atta go with one gun." And I sold it. And I turned around and sold it to a teacher down in Dawson.
Oh, really? That Valkyrie?
The first one.
Okay.
I got this one because I've always wanted one after I got rid of that.
Yeah.
And she always told me it's the prettiest motorcycle I ever had.
Yeah.
Was that blue and silver one because it is beautiful. But hey, she's not gonna ride it, man.
It don't matter, yeah.
Don't matter, bro.
It's a little slow tonight today, ain't it?
Huh?
Ain't a lot of people out here.
Oh yeah, we'll be in the 90s. We're gonna do this cities races tonight too. You know where they race.
You come back through?
We'll probably come back to about 5 or 6.
But it'll be dark when they start that, won't it?
They start that at 8.
I've been here for one of those before, man. It's there you go.
All right, let's go to the house.
You gone?
Hey man,
I'm gonna hang out here a little while.
come hang out a little bit.
Yeah.
Great to see you this morning.
You too, bro.
On three, slap me adventure. 1, 2, 3, slap me adventure.